I'm going to do something that I have never ever done before on one of my videos. I'm going to buy a product live as I'm recording, and we're going to explore it together. It's all coming up in my live buy and try of the blog marketing playbook. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull it successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. Go ahead and skip ahead and, ignore my really stale dad jokes because they're stale. I get it. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. Review software and info products and make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? You might ask, well, it's very, very simple. So make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, seriously, Bart? Seriously? Do you know how irritating that guy is? He does it all the time. Yakety, yakety, yakety. He was the original guy. There's a few others who have joined him now, but Bart is the original. He's been driving me insane for a really long time. Anyway, but seriously, that's the way things work here. If I like a product, I will give a tip. My hat's the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Musician, scholar, rake, entrepreneur, conspiracy theorist.
No, just an entrepreneur, thank you. And by the way, good God, where is Liz Lemon?
Where is Liz Lemon?
Yeah, exactly. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Let's go ahead and check this out right now together. Okay, so we're looking at the sales page for the blog marketing playbook. You can see here, I don't have the review access. Okay, I didn't get review access for this particular product. I'm actually going to buy it because, as I've said on many of my videos, I actually do buy a lot of PLR, and I've been wanting to try out some of the content from this guy for a very long time. Terrence Harper really does some quality content. I've been wanting to try some out. So I'm going to go ahead and buy it right now. You can see I'm on the sales page. I'm going to go ahead and pay for it with my wallet. Second, gotta set the terms. Okay, no, obviously no refunds, which makes sense. This is a PLR product. Basically, once you download it, you've got it. So, yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'll pay with my wallet. Okay. And this is live, by the way. You can see.
Before you go to the download page,
okay. We're going through all of the upsell offers. So this one is going to be live masterclass on lesser known processes for blogging. Okay, we're going to click no thanks. All right. And it's going to offer us another thing. Okay, 140 plus videos and 4 basic and advanced courses. This sounds pretty good. $27 is a very good price. I'm not going to buy it right now, but I might come back and buy it once we've had a chance to take a look at it. I'm going to click no thanks on that. All right, and this should be the last offer. Okay, so this one's going to be a high ticket offer for $497. Basically, teaching you everything you need to know in order to, well, okay, it comes with a lot of content also. All right. So we're going to click no thanks on this as well, and that should be it, I believe. Nope, one more.
If you want to keep up that.
Okay. And what is this one exactly? Who else wants consistently high quality full funnel? Okay, this is a subscription. Yep, $27 a month. And is that it? That's it. Okay, here we go. All right, so you can see here, I've gone through the entire funnel. You know exactly what's here right now. Let's go ahead and access my purchase here. All right. Okay. All right. I think I've got an account with Teachable, if I recall correctly. Why not? Okay, let's just go back and we'll sign up. All right. That. And I'm going to put in my own password. Even though I use a password manager, I can, I don't trust those things because I never remember them. So I have my own set of passwords that I use all the time. Obviously, you can't see what my password was. Okay, so we are here in the members area. You can see again, this is all live. I've never seen this before. So let's check this out. Course and creator portal. Okay. All right. A lot of offers here. Okay. So let's go here. Okay, I don't need their support. Okay, here we go. Click here to download the content. All right, and you got all the different content here. Basically, there's going to be all the different videos that you can actually get. I'm going to go ahead and download them. You won't be able to see because I'm only sharing my Microsoft Edge screen, so it won't actually show you anything. But we're going to go ahead and download this just so I can see what it looks like. If it's going to work, there it goes. Okay, so I'm going to open this up real quick and just check it out. All right, so it looks like there's 20 videos. And again, you get full PLR rights to these things. And they look like pretty high quality
Hello, Walker.
videos.
You're now looking at the inside of a WordPress available that will allow you to, or untitle it and then promote it in other
I'm not going to
places.
play them all right now, but basically we're looking at 20 videos here that are included with the package. They're unbranded. They're basically over-the-shoulder videos showing you how to set up a blog and also how to actually drive traffic. It looks like they've got stuff, a whole bunch of stuff actually. I'm looking at the list of things they've got here of traffic. Let's see. Starts off just showing you how to set up a WordPress blog and then understanding all the tools. Let's see. This one is. Okay, promote your content. Okay, that's one traffic, another traffic source. Okay, how to present your art. Okay, convert to a presentation. That's good. All right, and convert the presentation to a video. All right, that's useful to know. Okay, video sharing. Okay, wow, there's a lot of places that I'm not even familiar with all of these that you can share. Really? Huh. He's got an interesting idea. I'm not going to tell you what it is because I don't want to share his secrets, but he's got an interesting idea of where to share your content when you promote, which is really cool. It's video number 12, which I think that sounds awesome. I'm going to try that out. All right. Okay. Infographic. Okay. Yeah, I'm familiar with it. There's another website that he's recommending, which is cool, that I am familiar with, but a lot of people don't know about it, which is really, really good. Let's see. Okay. And how to do images, promoting on social media. Okay, capturing names and email addresses. Okay, that's useful. All right. Not familiar with this one either. It's another platform. So far I've found 3 different platforms that I'm not familiar with. 4. Make that 4. I just found number 19. Video number 19 has another one. All right. So there's 4 different platforms now for me. And again, you're going to get full PLR rights. This is about $7. Now, of course, anytime I'm going to promote something, I'm going to give you something special as well. So first and foremost, when you do fees like this, I'm going to give you a set of logos that you can customize. So you can actually go ahead and add these things in. I'm going to share my secret training on how to actually go ahead and insert the logos into these videos. It's very, very easy with free software. I'm going to share that with you completely, totally for free. You're going to get 300 logo templates that you can use them for anything. You can also sell them, sell logos. I've made money selling logos. That's very easy. It takes a couple minutes to customize them. You can also customize them for yourself, obviously, use them with these videos. And again, you can sell these things in a lot of different places. It's not just, Warrior Plus and JVs do. People tend to think that way, but it's not just that. You can also put them on eBay, for example, or Etsy. Etsy is very, very popular for this kind of stuff, to actually sell content like this, and you actually have the rights to these because this comes with PLR rights. Okay. So, so in addition to the 300 logo templates, I'm also going to give you a set of 40 plus video courses. Again, this course alone has 20 videos. So each of the ones I'm giving you has about anywhere from about 8 to 30 videos. So you're talking hundreds upon hundreds of hours of content. You'll be able to sell, give away, use it as a bonus, create your own products around them, whatever you want to do. You can even make a membership site out of these things. And you're going to get all of that for around $7, including this stuff that I just purchased myself. You saw me purchase it live and go through this live as I'm speaking here on this video. And you can see here, there's a whole thing here. It's not just you get this stuff. He's going to teach you, more about PLR and more about training, and there's bonuses and other stuff. So you're getting quite a little bit of stuff here for your $7. Now, pick up any upgrade. I am going to throw in the Sean Wise collection. This is a set of high-end video courses by Sean Wise. Sean has retired from the Warrior Plus and JV's Youth world. Now he basically does coaching for like $20,000, $30,000 a piece. But his old content is really, really good. And you're going to get that completely for free, again, with full PLR rights. You can sell it. Well, not PLR, you have resale rights rather. So you can sell them, give them away, use them as a bonus. The only thing you can't do is rebrand it. So you can't, pretend to be somebody, pretend that Sean Wise is somebody else, basically, which I understand. So yeah, so this is pretty interesting stuff so far. So let's see if I'm gonna give a tip, man, to try to create it or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you the man. This is really awesome stuff. I've been wanting to try some of this stuff for a while from this particular creator, and I am very, very impressed. Really high quality, good stuff. This was a quality purchase for $7. I'm probably going to go back and buy more just because I was very, very impressed with it. Grab this one. This one is good. You're going to love it.